Hey gang, RJ here, and I got a little bit of comparison for you today on these two remotes. One of them by Roku itself and the other one by Lutalk. Now let's talk setup of the Roku TV remote. It's all pretty straightforward. It comes nicely packaged. The entire setup process is simply removing a purple tab because, man, it comes pre-installed with batteries, no hunting them down. Now the Lutalk remote, its setup was a little more complicated because it didn't come with batteries. I had to hunt down some AAA batteries here in my house. Not the end of the world, but it's just one more step that I didn't have to do with the Roku TV remote. Now let's talk features of these two remotes. Both remotes come pre-programmed for your Roku TVs. They work with the TVs. It's not compatible with Roku players. They both have the volume and mute keys, and they both come with 4 quick keys with some top used apps ready to go out of the box. And also let's talk quality. You'll notice a pretty big difference between the Roku TV remote and the Lutalk remote. Man, the Roku remote just feels different in your hand. It feels sturdier, it feels stronger than the Lutalk remote. And one of the things I did notice about the Lutalk remote in setting it up and playing with it a little bit here is the back for the remote, for the battery compartment, it is super loose. Like, I shouldn't be able to open and close it with one finger. Like this is definitely gonna get lost in my house. Look, if you're looking to replace one of your Roku TV remotes, whether you lost it, whether it's been broken for some reason, whether your dog ate it, I think the original by Roku is the way to go. Check them out.